Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Blessing. In this channel, I help you to turn your phone into a mini studio. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So today we are going to create all these things you are seeing on your phone, these design mockups for your bags, your t-shirts, cups, and whatever with Canva. So open Canva or download it from Play Store if you don't have, and register with your email. So click on the search bar. I'm just going to get straight to search for t-shirt. So you hit the search bar, and it's going to bring out designs. These things are designs that you can print on your shirt. So you can use the blank page to create a totally blank design, or you customize. So I'm going to be customizing this particular design that I like. So their own is always never give up, stay strong. So but me, I'm going to type always wear your identity. So the only thing I'm just going to do is I'm going to maintain the color. So I just touch this thing. I've already seen the font. Just touch it and type what I want to type as fast as possible. Wear your, then change stay strong to identity, and that's it. So this thing has two pages, so I'm going to be deleting one. Just click on these three dots up here, click on view all pages. You can use these functions here. You can delete, you can duplicate, you can add page. So I'm going to delete these old ones and duplicate this black one that has my own words. So I'll come to this other place and change the label, the background to make color. Then I also change the other text that appeared in white and elements. I'll just change it to black so that it will be visible. It's not visible with this make color background. So I'll just change it to black, zoom to check if that is done. So I'll go back again to click the three dots up there and also view pages. So here I'm going to be adding blank pages, because I'm going to show you how to add this design to maybe a cup or this thing. So go to element. I'm going to search Happy Mother's Day or Mother's Day, whatever, or you can whatever you want to actually search. I want to get a particular element from Canva, so go to graphics, then to bring out Mother's Day element for you. I have a particular one in mind, so which is this one, that is this pink one down here. I've selected it. Then I'll come down here, change the color of this background. Then I also, at the same place, I'll scroll and find mockups. So I'm going to be choosing this cup mockup to showcase, assuming I want to print this, like this print on demand, gift items and all. So assuming I want to print this, how is it going to look on the cup? So I'll just center the cup, increase it so that you see it very well. Then just drag the element into the cup. Not just anyhow cup. These ones are mock-ups because they already have this frame on it. So when I touch this, you will see how it's going to be. So I can fit, if I go to that mock-up again, I can fit this design. I can reduce it a bit and center it. So once I'm done, click on done. You can see how beautiful this looks. So if you are into print on demand and you don't do all this for your designs, how will people identify your designs? So I'm also going to be doing for t-shirts. What will I do? I'll just the same step I did for this one. I'll just go to mockups and find a t-shirt. You can see videos, smartphones, print. There are a lot of things that you can see on this. You can see all these drinks. You can customize things, but I'm going to be choosing this hoodie so that I'll just still customize it so that you see that it's not only cup. There is also this bag too. Anything at all, as long as something can be printed on that thing. So you can just use this to, mockups are just like, they are like model. This what do they call this? Is it manicure that you use to model fashion clothes and all? Yes, this one is like it for you. So if you also do this, I'm going to choose this number one mom and see how it looks. It didn't come out really well for me, so I deleted it and still chose the first one. So if you're using mockups, it will help you to market very well. If you post people wearing maybe your t-shirts, other people say, this thing is fine, or a hoodie, or whatever you are making, or cup, people can see it and say, oh, I can get this for my mom. you know and if you are into the business, you don't know how to create designs for your printables and all of that, this tutorial can also help you to learn how to do that. So I'm going to be using the Happy Mother's Day element that I used earlier for the cup on this particular one, because the other one didn't really give me what I want. I'm not using it for anything, it's just for this tutorial purpose. You can also add any other image to this and it will work. You can add your picture to it, you can add your mommy's picture to it, or whatever you want to add. I'm just using this element as an illustration, not that that's the only thing that can be added to it. I hope you understand. Okay, so going forward, look, as this is how it looks. So I'll just arrange it and align it and make it look good. Once that is done, I'm going to be moving to use the first design that I've already made, because I know some of you be wondering, why did you even make that design? You just made it, you just edited that first design and left it. We are going back to that first design. So when you go to mockups, you have for computers, you have for home and living, like maybe your throw pillows, can also print on them. You have polos, you have tote bags, you have for your phone, you can also create printables for your phone and all of that. So you can see as it's being shown here. So whatever you want to model, you can choose the mockup for it. These ones are just mockups, they are just like models for it. So now I'm going to use one of those my previous designs for this guy to show you how it can look on a cloth, assuming I was to print it on my clothes. So I'm going to go to that place, click on this upload button, because I just want to download only one. So once I click there, click on download. I'm going to choose is on PNG, that is okay. So I will just choose current page, so that only this particular one will download. Because if I had clicked on the download button, everything in this page will download to my gallery, but I just want only this particular one to download. So once it has been downloaded into my phone, I'll scroll over to the mockup that I put in earlier. Then I'll go to gallery. I'll find my gallery. You can see gallery, and I'll choose that design. It's supposed to be in the recent designs that I downloaded. So I'll just scroll down to my Canva and find it there. You can see it here on my Canva. I'll just add to page. So once I add it to the page, it's going to come up like this. You see that it's very fine. Like, that design is so fine. I love it. Assuming I'm going to be making a t-shirt, something like this is good. So I didn't like, because it's black, I tried to remove the background to put it. Even at that, it was still giving me black shades. I said, no, let me go back. This one that has me color background, I quickly change it. Just click on it, change the color to white, you can see. And then I also click on the upload icon, click on download, choose this particular page only, just current page, and just click on done and download it. Once I download that white background the white background design, I'll just go back to my mockup and do it and upload it, and you are going to see how beautiful it looks. Like, the white was just so perfect, and I was like, wow, thank God I didn't even continue with the black, because the black was going to just look good on a black cloth, not on this white sweater, for crying out loud. So I'll just click on gallery again and just get my image, because it's the last image that was downloaded into my phone. So once you can see it's already there, just touch it, click on add to page, and just hover it over this our mockup guy, and it will just do what? Just replace the other picture that was there. and you are going to see how beautiful it looks. Like it came out so well. You can see it. I'm just going to zoom it a bit so that you can see. Always wear your identity. So good, so beautiful. So if you're into print on demand, do you use Canva, or what do you use for your models? What do you use for your mockups? You can post this on your Instagram. People can click to order this particular design from you. What you just need is not to buy the sweater and then print this your Canva design and go for heat press or whatever people that are doing it for you, and they'll do it for you and you sell your clothes. As simple as that. Business don't start. So this is also a business idea for those who don't have any businesses they are doing and they are looking to make more money. So this is so cool. I just went ahead and just added one more markup still on this, and then I also did for bag, but I didn't cover it in this tutorial. So if you like this video, I want you to comment what aspect of the video you enjoyed the most, and tell me if you're going to be trying this out. Even if you don't want to print any shirt for now, at least for the sake of practicing what you just learned, are you going to try it out or not? Let me hear in the comment section. You can see bag, you can see clothes, you can see different people that you can use. It's not a must you must use that particular guy that you use. There are a lot of people here that you can use for this mock-up design. Even ordinary clothes without anyone wearing it, you can see it. So it's just so beautiful that you can just create something that you like for yourself and make something out of it. People make a living from selling t-shirts and all. If you don't have anything doing, you might consider doing this. Even if you're not, maybe you don't have a physical shop, you can register on Etsy and all these press shop and Amazon, and you can be able to make a living for yourself. So tell me in the comment section, do you like this video? Do you want to see something like this going forward in this channel? What topic do you want me to cover in my next video? Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay till the end to see the results of all these things that we are doing. Thank you. Bye.